Welcome to Raj Online Trainings in the series of UI Full Stack Web Development. In this video, let us go with one more new topic under HTML, that is HTML formatting elements. In the last videos, we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code and the HTML introduction part, the need of going with HTML, and even we have seen how to go with heading tags and paragraph tags, how to create headings and paragraphs. And in this video, let us go with HTML formatting elements. So we are in some of the formatting HTML elements here, like B element, it is for bold. B is for bold. Strong is for important text. It indicates it's an important text. The content will be presented as bold only. So this is useful mainly for like when you are reading the content. So when we are using spoken words inside that, then it is going to be bold, strong enough. Then I for italic. Then EM is for emphasize the text. Emphasize the text. This content also will be italic. So this strong, emphasize the text, these are useful when you are listening. It's sound effects. It's related to sound effects. So speaking context, at that time it will be more stressed. These words will be more stressed here. Then mark tag. This is for market text. Market text, the content will be highlighted. The text will be highlighted. Carrying one more tag, deleted text. It is strike graph. The text will be striked. INS, inserted text. The content will be underlined. Then SUP, it's for subscript, and SUP is for superscript. Let us understand all these tags. We are in one more like pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text. Now let us understand all these formatting elements by using the program. Open Visual Studio Code. Under this HTML programs folder, create a new file. I'm going with formatting.html. Go with the boilerplate code, exclamation, press enter key. Now this example, the title I'm giving it as formatting elements, HTML formatting elements. So let us go with B tag and we'll say this text is bold. So the content, whatever we are typing here, the content will be bold. Now see, when we open in browser, the content what we get, it will be bold here. This text is bold. Now, the next one, strong. This text is important. This text is important. Now see, when we refresh your page, the content, whatever we get, say this text is important. Let us break the lines here. BR is used to break the lines. See, now when we refresh, the content will be break here. See, even this strong, the content is coming in bold here. Now, adding one more, like I. This text is italic. Content will be in italic. See, when we refresh your page, the content what we get, say this text is italic. Then wearing one more, EM. EM means emphasize the text. This is for speaking related. Strong EM is for speaking related. This text is emphasize the text. Emphasize the text. See the result when we open in browser. When you refresh, see this text is emphasize text. It is also coming in italic only. Where are we? Mark. We'll say something like paragraph. This is marked text, or I'll say highlighted text. So this highlighted will be highlighted here. So here when we refresh your page, see this highlighted word will be highlighted. The next one, del. So we'll say paragraph. The title watches are now flat. We'll say del 50%, 60% off. So when you want to strike off something, then we use the tag del. See now, when we refresh, this 50% will be striked off. To strike the text, we use what here? The element del. Following one more. INS. This text is underlined. You can even say inserted text. See now, when we refresh, the content will be underlined. We want to display the chemical representation of water. So what is the chemical representation of water? H2O. So we'll say H, then 2 should come as subscript 2, then O. H2. See now, when we refresh your page, see this H2O2 is coming as subscript. Now superscript, we want to display the date. We'll say here H3. So we want to display the date. Today's date is 12th March 2024. Now see, when we open in your browser, see we are getting this th in the same line, but we want to make this th to go upside like a superscript, then we have to use the element sup. We have to use the element sup. See, when we refresh your page, the th will go as superscript. Now we want to display some code onto the browser. So for example, I want to display some code like a Java code onto the browser. So we'll say here public class welcome. We'll say public static void main string array args. Some code, we are not worried about the code here. Some source code of any language we want to display onto the browser. When you refresh your page, see the code is coming in the same single line. But I want to format this code. I want whatever the format it is showing, I want to show in that format. Then we have to keep this source code in the pre tag. We have to use the tag here, the element pre. Now see, when you refresh your page, see we are getting the code in a proper format. This we call it as pre-formatted text. So what tags we have seen? The formatting elements: B for bold, strong, I italic, EM for emphasize the text, mark to highlight your text, delete, del for deleted text to strike your text, INS it's for inserted text to underline your text or to insert some text in between, SUB is for subscript, SUP is for superscript, and pre is for pre-formatted text. So we use this one mainly for displaying source code on your browser window. Some programming language source code on your browser window, we make use of this pre-formatted text pre-tag here, right? So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share.